In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Loom video using both the official built-in features provided by Loom, as well as some alternative methods you can consider if needed. Now let's dive right in with the most straightforward and recommended method, officially downloading from Loom itself. First, you'll want to log into your Loom account. You can do this through either the web version or by using the Loom desktop app, whichever you find more convenient. Once you're logged in, navigate to your video library. This is where all your recorded videos are stored and accessible for further action or review. Once you've accessed your library, open the specific video that you're interested in downloading. You'll typically find this process to be quite user-friendly and intuitive. After you open the video you want to save, look for the three-dot menu. This menu, which is generally either near the video itself or right below it, houses a variety of options for managing your video content. By clicking on this three-dot menu, you'll find a list of options, and among them will be an option labeled Download Video. Selecting this will trigger the download process to begin automatically. The video will typically be downloaded in MP4 format, which is compatible with most devices and media players. It's a simple and efficient way to ensure you have a local copy of your work readily available at your fingertips. However, it's important to note that you might encounter scenarios where the download option is not visible or available. In this example, for instance, you might notice that the option to download is missing. This usually happens if you're using Loom's free plan. The ability to download and save videos directly is a feature that is reserved for those who are on one of Loom's paid plans. This is an essential consideration to keep in mind if you're utilizing Loom frequently and need to save your work offline. If you're on a paid plan, everything we've discussed will apply smoothly. But if you're on a free plan and need access to the download feature, consider looking into the paid subscription options Loom offers. It might just provide the additional functionality you need. We'll now wrap up this tutorial, but remember that no matter which plan you're on, the same basic process applies whenever you're allowed to access these features. Understanding how to navigate and utilize these tools ensures that you can manage your video content effectively, whether for professional work, educational purposes, or personal use. Thanks for watching, and hopefully, you're now empowered to easily download your Loom videos whenever needed.